Right guys, so first thing first, we are going to find the key levels on the NASDAQ index, the US Tech 100. And what we want to do, we want to go to the weekly chart and to see 4 key areas, and on the monthly. Okay, so right now the monthly low is 777. We are going to mark that low. We are going to mark this high, which is 950. Okay, 950, and the low of this, which is 583. Right, so that's what we are interested on the monthly chart. Let's see on the weekly. We are interested about this bottom. So that's basically what we are interested on the weekly. Let's see the daily candle. Okay, this daily low, it's a key area right there. The high we have, the low we have. We are interested about this low right here, this key area. Okay, and this right here, 1940, right there. Right, so now we are going to go to the 5-minute chart, and we're gonna see what other key levels we have right here. So as you can see, we have a resistance area at 18,000 right here, 18,895 with 905 is going to be our key area. On the low we have here, we're gonna give 10 points, 55 and 65, and of course we have the low, which is 770 and 780, 955, 945, and we are going to have the 990 with 19k, right, 19,040, 19,050, 19,090, 19,100. Right, so the price is at 18,860. So about we are covered 240 points on the upside, and we can go to the hourly chart. Okay, and let's check what else do we have here. Right below 770 we have 730 right there, and 660 right here, and right here, this top. Okay, so let's go back to the 5-minute chart. Okay, so we are going to put 10 points right here, 715 with 725. This is going to be 855 with 865. Okay, and 585 with 595. Right, so we have our key levels where we should look for trade opportunities. The up ones are the resistances, the down ones are the supports. Right, at support, pounds of support, we are looking to long. If breaks the support, we are looking to short. The resistance is if rejects the resistance, we are looking to short. If breaks out and holds, we are looking for a long opportunity. Okay, so these are the key levels, guys. I'm going to share with the Discord channel, and yeah, I'm going to get back to you as soon as market opens, and we are going to take a live trade together. Right, so I'm going to stick around. I'm going to get back to you soon. Right, guys, I'm going to mark these areas so we can see it better. Alright guys, so we are ready with the key levels and we are waiting for the market open. As soon as market opens, I'm going to get back to you and we are going to take some live trades together, right? So stick around. Right guys, 1 minute left until the New York session open. We have ready our key levels on the NASDAQ and we are looking for trade opportunities. I minimize down this one so we can see the PNL. Right guys, market just opened and we are waiting for a trade opportunity. We had a breakout of this level and a break back down. I don't really want to take any trade until the job opening in 20 minutes. However, above 65, I'm going to enter a long position. As you could see, the hourly candle is going to turn green. So 65 is our buy point, guys, with a 30-point stop loss. So we are going to be covered until 35. Right, let's see if we can take a long on this, guys. 65 breakout there. Right, let's go. 65, as we said, hourly candle turns green. Going to add one more. So 10 contracts in, guys, and we are going to hold this. That's it. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Boom, boom. Right, let's go. We are going to hold this for now, guys. About 10 minutes, 2 more candles. We can take a nice push on this. That's a resistance area, but as you can see, it just picked up momentum. There it goes. There it goes. 450. And that's a 50 pointer, guys. I'm looking to sell. The momentum is still there, holds that level. Come on. One more push and I'm going to get out. I sell some, guys. Right. So we left 6 contracts in. We took off 4. One more push we need to sell the rest. There it goes. 2 more out. Come on. Let's see if it holds this level. Otherwise we will have to close the rest of the positions. Right, 900 seems to hold, guys. If we could get a push. There it goes. One more out. And one more out. Right guys, so that's basically how we trade on this channel. Simple support resistance areas. Okay, even here, this one, as it got rejected, if you got in, there is an easy 30 points. So that's why I always say close the 30 points, because it's easier to get 30-40 points than to look for a home run. Okay, so that's basically how we trade, guys. As you can see, this was our resistance area. However, I suggest you always let the first candle to go, right? Don't jump in on the first candle, even the second candle, because the first candle usually either a drop and the next one is a push back up and continues down the third one, or the first one is the push, but second is a pullback and the third is a pushback again. Alright, so that's a pattern for the open. So imagine if this candle would have been a falling candle, we could have expected the second candle is going to push back up, retest the opening price and fall again. But since the first candle was a push to the upside, okay, so you can assume that the second candle is going to retest the open price, alright, and if holds, and you have a key level here, exactly that's what we did, right? We got in on the breakout, but always let the first 1-2 candle to go to get some direction and to see how the price behaves around the open price. If holds the open price, okay, you can assume that's going to give you at least a push to get a nice 30-40 points and get out before falls back. So the idea is to pay attention around the open up price, okay? As you can see on the second key level, we had a stop, however, it went through the key level and retested, and you can see this is a sign of a hold as push back up, right? But this one also I called on the Discord channel to get out from your longs, as this is a high chance that it's going to turn back to the downside and retest this top, right? If you could have get in here, you could have made also another 30 points, right? As you can see, for now it keeps pushing to the upside, even though this was a short opportunity. You see this key level nicely is holding and push back up. You have to practice, you have to work and to see how the price behaves around the key level and to make your own strategy. You know exactly what to look for, okay, when it comes to the key level, right? And you add some small things like the open up price, right? It's very important to see how the price behaves as soon as market open. If straight pushes up, okay, and you miss the move, even though I suggest you to don't get in on the first candle, but for example, let's say you got in the first candle, okay, as soon as the candle closes, you should take your profit, assuming that the next candle is going to retest the open up price, right? It's not always the case, but usually that's what happens. All right, so in case you miss the push, you want to wait for a pullback to see if it has the open up price and how the price behaves on this area, okay? Pushes away, you can assume that it's going to give you another push, 30-40 points you can get in and to take that move, right? So that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.